In front of me is REALME Note 50 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences and click on Printing. Lastly, just click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, you need to disable this one by clicking on blue switcher. Go back. Tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. If you see this kind of weird error, you can always just go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. In my case, HP Print Service. Then click on Install, and when your new app is ready, go back to the same settings. So Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, and Printing. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!